For those of you that love horses, I love them too, but not really. Um, they're a pain in the ass to take care of. They shit like crazy. If you have a young horse, they're like a child. It's like a child, a really big child. They want to, they want to know what everything is going on everywhere. They'll knock shit over if they get out of the fencing. They're intelligent. That's another problem. They're a pain in the ass. Jesus Christ, they're a pain in the ass. And if you walk them incorrectly, and I learned this the hard way, he was at, what, little over 2 years old when I was walking him, and I was like new with horses. He stepped on my foot with just one foot. Completely shattered my foot. My nail completely just fell off. But they're intelligent. Oh God. I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love horses, but I hate them at the same time. I'm terrified to even ride a horse. I almost got killed riding one. Maybe I'm just not a horse person. But my dad loves horses, so he decided to buy one. It's great for fertilizer. Oh, don't get me wrong. I'm not like hating on horses, but before you get mad at me and get mad at me for saying, horses are pain in the ass, like own one. Own a horse. Put it on your property. And see how that goes. It's not easy owning a horse. Even sometimes sheep are a pain in the ass. They're stupid. So that's why sheep are stupid. They're really hard to raise. I mean, not hard to raise, but if they're not attuned to where you're raising them, they could just run away. Most of our sheep, they stay here, but we've had 2 sheep that just run away every goddamn time. We've had them locked up in the barn for like what, 4 days, 3, 4 days. And they're getting more friendly, but something's telling me if I unhook the leash, they're gonna be gone again. It's like it's weird because they grew up on a farm next to us, so they're used to that farm, so they like going back. Goats are actually intelligent. Goats are actually a lot more intelligent. You can get closer to them. like we have a mother with two babies, and the babies will always be next to the mother. And the mother isn't afraid of me, so the babies aren't afraid of me. Sheep meat, it smells like, it does not smell good. You have to marinate that thing for days to get the smell out of it. Goat meat is really good, actually. One of the best meats I've ever eaten in my life. What was I gonna say? Um, yeah. Oh, goats, they eat everything. They'll even eat your sweater. They'll eat plastic, they'll eat a pine tree. I even saw them eating a rose bush with thorns on it. They absolutely eat everything. Kind of like pigs. When I was trying to untie the mother, because we had to put it on a leash, it was just trying to eat my sweater. Even this vest, it was trying to eat everything. They'll eat anything. If it exists, they'll try to eat it. But that's farm animals.